Hi, I'm back. My video cut off. I guess I was going too long. Anyway, so this will be part 2. So welcome back. Anyway, let's keep going where I left off. So this is a little hat for a newborn. Kind of cute. Has little buttons on the side. You can see the fabric. It's kind of a thermo-y type fabric. Very lightweight. It's kind of cute. And then I actually think this is adorable. Has the little long john piece. And so, yeah, it's cute. It's cute. I love the little pocket in the back. That's nice. Oops, let's see. Non-working pocket in the back. It would be nice to work if you could change the diaper, but actually, there is no opening for this. You actually have to take the entire outfit off in order to change the diaper. Well, it's not user friendly. Next. Okay, so that's the end of this bag. Yay. So far, very disappointed and unimpressed. And I'm being honest. And I'm a small business person, and I really want to be able to support small businesses, even though Temu seems like it's a big business, multi-billion, shopping like a billionaire business. So, oh my gosh. Okay, so this is supposed to, wow, okay. This is supposed to be a device you use to seal products with. I don't know what kind of bag or tool or whatever you use. I don't even know how this would work. Just like this, shaped like that. Has this little lip here. Has some kind of little bump here that goes in and out. There's a plastic on the back for you to hang it somewhere. What the heck? And this is what the package says it's supposed to be able to do. Now, this is a complete no bueno. Oh my God, this should only have been 15 cents. I can't do anything with this. What the heck? Oh my God. I got scam. No. I don't know about other people, and I've watched a lot of reviews on Temu, and a lot of people have, said really great things about their company, and they like their products, and they like their clothes.